Let's explore the key patent considerations for 3D printing in the automotive industry. The rise of additive manufacturing, or 3D printing, is fundamentally changing how automotive parts are designed and produced. This shift brings new intellectual property challenges. The adoption of 3D printing profoundly impacts intellectual property in the automotive sector, especially concerning design, production processes, and digital assets. The main challenge lies in the boundary between the physical product and the digital design file that dictates its creation. Patents need to cover both the final 3D printed automotive components and the specific additive manufacturing processes used to create them. A major risk arises when proprietary digital design files are shared or used without authorization, leading to potential infringement risks globally. When considering patents in this space, focus on three primary areas for protection. One key area is protecting new material compositions specifically engineered for additive manufacturing, enhancing performance and properties of the final car part. Secondly, the 3D printer hardware itself and innovative additive manufacturing methods warrant strong patent protection. Design patents are crucial for protecting the ornamental or aesthetic features of 3D printed components, capturing unique shapes and configurations. As manufacturing shifts from physical to digital, protecting the digital assets becomes paramount. Protecting digital design files, such as CAD models or blueprints, requires a combination of strong legal protections and robust digital security measures. The digital nature of 3D printing complicates the traditional make, use, sell framework for infringement, especially when files are simply shared or used for personal printing. Automotive companies must adopt strategic patenting approaches to maximize their competitive advantage. Consider whether defensive patents, aiming to block competitors, or offensive patents, designed for licensing and revenue, best suit your business goals. With global manufacturing and supply chains, a comprehensive global patent strategy is essential to cover all key territories where parts are designed, printed, and used. In conclusion, 3D printing offers immense opportunity but requires proactive IP management. Automotive companies should remember to protect both the process and product, secure digital design files, and implement a robust global patent strategy. The future of additive manufacturing in automotive is bright, but staying ahead in the IP landscape will be critical for long-term success.